The new exhaust came for my Hawk 250. I do plan on making a video of me putting it on the bike, but it's not gonna be a tutorial. I do not do tutorials on my channel, very often at least, for the reason of 90% of the time I don't know what I'm talking about. Yes, I can get things done, but it's not always the correct way, and even when it is the correct way, I don't have the mental capability to explain it to somebody else, so I'm just barely comfortable doing these things, even though the exhaust actually, it looks very straightforward. But still, at the same time, I'm comfortable doing these things myself, but I'm not comfortable teaching somebody to do them. So there will be a video, but it's not a tutorial. Nice packing bubbles like always. What is this? Oh hey, the brake cables for the Fat Moto that do not look any longer even though they're supposed to be. Wish me luck on that one. Pause it. Alright, this is just the exhaust wrap, which, hey, it actually came with some metal cable ties, that's good. So the big box down here must be the exhaust. So this is the same generic exhaust, I'll put a link in the description, that all of the YouTubers that make any videos on this bike has. Feels really janky to me. Everybody's giving it really good reviews. I guess we'll find out. It is cheaper now. Oh, it's got a little expansion chamber on there. That's cool. I did not know that. It had really good reviews. It is cheaper than it used to be. I got this one from Amazon, but it's the same thing everybody has been getting. And it was $87 flat, like there wasn't any shipping or anything. And there she is. So it does actually look pretty slick. I am very excited to get this on here. That's pretty much it right there. I've heard really good things about it, so I guess time will tell. On my oil change video I did on the Hawk, I never did take out the oil screen for you guys. And I just want to point out where that is. That's the drain bolt, and then just right beside it on the side, sorry, here we go, is the oil screen. You should really take that out every time and clean it out, make sure there's no like metal bits and stuff in there. Yeah, that's all there is to it. This is what it should look like, the order, when you put that back in there, because I know, yep, there you go. Get the general idea though. And my screen just kind of fell out on me into the oil, and I was like, well shit, which way does it go? But it goes this way. So you just put it right back in like that. Now, I already got the new tire on the front, but here's the back, those old knobbies. So this is before, after,